welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about a Dot & Key skincare haul. So there was this offer going on Dot & Key's website and app, which had buy one get one, buy two get two, and buy three get three. I got the buy three get three one, and I also got 3 free freebies, in which 2 of the freebies were full-sized free products. So yeah, without further ado, if you're interested, please continue watching. So this is the first product. It's the daily cleanser. I'm sorry for the focus thingy is not, I don't know, working or something, but it says it's the Strawberry Dew Melt in a Flash Cleansing Balm. So like, I got this because my micellar water had been completely finished and I wanted to buy a cleansing balm or something like makeup remover, but this is something you can use instead of a face wash in the morning as well, but also to, you know, like get rid of stubborn makeup, the SPF on your skin and things like that, even waterproof makeup. So the packaging is really cute. It says here it's worth melting for, and I love the way they've created this whole thing. Like, the packaging is really amazing, and okay, I even loved it's like a super glass matte finish packaging. It says Dot & Key Strawberry Dew Melt in a Flash Cleansing Balm. I'm just gonna open it and see what's inside. Ooh, it smells like strawberries. It looks like this. It's 70 ml. I think you just need like a little bit of it and it'll get all of your makeup off. It also comes with this tiny little spatula thingy which you can remove the product with. So yeah, I really enjoyed this. It's really cute and I can't wait to use this. The same product is this Vitamin C Clay Mask by Dot & Key. So I was really looking for a Vitamin C clay mask, and Dot & Key has a really cool Vitamin C clay mask. It's also like pink in color, and I was like, okay, let's just try it out. It says it has cacao plum and acerola cherry. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but let's open it up. I've seen reviews about this and it seems to be really good, so I'm hoping this works out on my skin as well. Again, the packaging has something written over here. It says packed with antioxidants to treat dullness and clear deep-rooted impurities for instantly glowing skin. How cute. Can't wait to use this one as well. Let's move ahead with the third product. The third product I got is this Dot & Key's Retinol Night Cream. So I had received like a small sample size product of this Retinol Night Cream, and this is what it was, and I completely like finished it up, as you can see, and I really loved it. This does not have a lot of retinol in it, like not the proper retinol active ingredient. This product worked on my skin flawlessly. It helped with my fine lines over here, like smile and this wrinkle line. It's a retinol and ceramide night cream. It helps in wrinkle softening, fights dark spots, and it's only for PM use. It's 60 ml of product. It also says it has hibiscus and pomegranate oil. Oh, it says something here again. Let's see. A vitamin-rich night cream that targets wrinkles, fine lines, and stubborn pigmentation and restores skin radiance. That's exactly what I want. I love Dot & Key's packaging. I know I've read somewhere that they've kind of like imitated a Korean skincare packaging brand, but I don't really care about that. I just love their packaging as well. So this was the third product. So I had gotten the offer of buy 3 get 3. So I had purchased these 3 products and the other 3 were free. So the other 3 free products which I got was this. I kind of restocked this watermelon cooling sunscreen. I already have finished a whole tube of it. I have finished this up and I know this works on my skin fabulously. I don't even have to like open this up to tell you all how great of a sunscreen this is. If we all are looking for a no white cast, really quickly absorbs into your skin kind of textury, you know, sunscreen, then this is the one you should definitely buy. This really like settles in my skin in like seconds, and it isn't like, it doesn't get my skin at all sweaty or greasy or that chip ka feeling at all. So I love this. Next product I got like for kind of like buy 3 get 3 free mein. The fifth product is this is the sunscreen stick, and this is also like this is a strawberry dew sunscreen stick on the go. So I've had like dicey reviews on this, and I wanted to try it out by myself. From the reviews I kind of had an understanding that this sunscreen stick is not to be used only like on bare skin or something. You need to use a proper sunscreen first, and then this is for like you retouching your sunscreen up after 3 to 4 hours. This is what the sunscreen is for. Sunscreen should not be, I feel, should not be used just like in a replacement of a proper sunscreen. You should use a proper sunscreen first, and then to touch your sunscreen up you need to use this. It will not move your makeup around or something like that. Open it up real quick. Okay, mine had come a little damaged from here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a little like smudged from here, but that's fine. The product is right here. Last product I got like in the buy 3 get 3 thing, and then there are the 3 freebies, is this lip balm. It's this glitter lip balm which also has like vitamin C plus E and SPF 30 in it. I actually just used it. It moisturized my lips really well. I don't know how much glitter was showing up. Like it was really little, but I also have thin lips, so I don't know. But this is how the packaging looks. Really cute, and I love the color. It's lavender. It's my favorite color. But yeah, I don't know how much of the glitter shine it has, but it definitely moisturized my lips a lot. And since it has SPF 30 in it, I would really recommend it to be used in the day. You can also use it in the night if you want, but I would recommend this lip balm to be used in the daytime rather than the night time. 3 products which I got as like freebies are these. I'm gonna show you all one by one. So this is the full-sized product. This is the Dot & Key's Barrier Repair Stick, Barrier Repair Moisture Stick. It says it's for normal to dry skin. I really love their colors and packaging. It has hyaluronic acid and probiotics and 5 essential ceramides. It's 20 grams of product. And this isn't smudged. This is how it looks like. I'm going to be trying this out right now because since it's a moisturizing barrier stick, I can use it, right? Okay, I feel like it did some kind of difference on my skin. I don't know really what. I think it worked like a primer in a way. It's not sticky. It's really like, okay, my skin feels really moisturized in a way, and there's definitely something on it. And it feels kind of like supple and plump. I'll have to use this a couple more times to know, but the texture and the feel of it is really good. That is what I can say about this for now, but let's hope this works out. Next freebie item in the full-sized thing was this Dot & Key's Lip Plumping Mask. It has vitamin C and E in it. It's blood orange and nectarine flavor of lip plumping mask. They have like different flavors in this. The ingredient list is over here, which is weird actually. They could have printed it over here rather than the design, but it's okay. It has castor oil, coconut oil, vitamin E, almond oil, a lot of oils. That's good. 15 ml of product, but it's a full-size product because it's a lip plumping mask. Okay, so it's like 15 ml of product, and you really need like tiniest bit of amount for your lips, right? So 15 ml is the full-sized product, and I actually really like it. It's really cool. It actually is for rupees 295, and I think I got this as a freebie. I'm really happy with it. I'm gonna be trying that out tonight, so let's see how this goes. The last product, which was the freebie, is this Dot & Key Sisa and Niacinamide Oil Free Moisturizer. I know Sisa is really good for the acne prone skin type. I fortunately, touch wood, do not have an acne prone skin type, but I do have this acne spot mark which I am trying to get rid of since weeks now. But yeah, like I get like breakouts like rarely, but when I do, the pimple mark stays, and that's my concern. So I'm hoping, since this has Sisa in it, it will help with the pimple spot. I'm just hoping, I'm not sure. We'll just see and try it out. Like a sample size product. It's 15 ml, and let's see how it is. Oh, okay. It's a very gel-like consistency. I like that. Ooh, it melts right into the skin. It has such a cooling effect. I love this. It doesn't have much of a fragrance. I don't know why all the reviews I've seen of Dot & Key, they say they have a fragrance, or I just have a blocked nose. But for now, I've not gotten any fragrance. I think they've improvised their texture or their formula, where they've gotten it into a fragrance free kind of a brand, or very less kind of a fragrance. But this does not have any fragrance whatsoever. It gave my skin a really cooling effect, and I really loved this. Yeah, I really liked it, and I'm excited to use all these products out in my new skincare routine. That was about it for today's video. Let me know if y'all would like to try out any of these Dot & Key products, and if y'all do, then you should try checking out their website. You have to check out for their buy one get one or buy two get two sales going on, because that's when you get a lot of freebies and you could make the most of your money. I got all these 9 products for like 1,700, and that was like a steal for me. That was all for today's video. If you liked it, you know the drill. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below what kind of videos would you like me to make next. And yeah, thanks for watching my video.